Are you looking for summer internship with a stipend? If yes, then here is your chance to join IIT Roorkee this summer. As IIT Roorkee is conducting institute-funded Spark Fellowships for summer internship with a weekly stipend of Rs 2,500 per week and project-funded summer internships in summer 2021. So go through this video till the end to get information about eligibility criteria, last date, how to apply and many more. And if you won't subscribe to our YouTube channel till now, then do it now to be updated with latest news and career tips. So without taking much time, let's start the video. So the major project objective of this program is to provide research exposure to interested undergraduate students of IIT Roorkee to attract and nurture talented undergraduate students of other institutes. Some of these students may then choose to apply for postgraduate or doctoral studies at IIT Roorkee. Now let's have a look at the eligibility criteria for this program. Students who are currently enrolled and have completed at least 2 semesters of the undergraduate degree, that is BR, BE, BTech or MSc in a relevant discipline from any institutes in India. Along with that, following minimum CGPA criterion will also be applied. If a student belong to IITs or IIScs, then CGPA should be greater than 7.5. If it belong to NITs, IISERs, NISER, IEST or UMDAE CBS, then CGPA should be greater than 8. And for other institute students, CGPA should be greater than 8.5. Now let's have a look at some of the important dates for this program. So deadline to receive applications is 28th February. Result will be announced on or after 15th March. Summer training will be held during the scheduled summer vacation at IIT Roorkee, that is 12th May to 10th of July, or a shorter term if the applicant is not available for the entire period. So now before talking about the how to apply for this internship, let us have a look at what Spark International is. Spark is going to be international starting in summer 2021 exclusively for students pursuing technical degrees in universities other than Indian origin. This program operates through online mode with the fellowship of INR 2,500 per week during June to July. A separate set of projects are available separately to choose from this program. Last date for application is 10th of March 2021. Now let's have a look at some of the important points related to this internship. Applications need to be submitted through an online portal made for the purpose where the applicants will upload their last semester marksheet of current degree, photograph, a 500 word research statement and a brief 1 to 2 page resume. For students of other institutes, a no objection certificate or NOC will also be sought on joining. Applicants need to mention the name of 5 faculty members of their choice from the list of faculty members interested in having a summer intern. The terms of summer training should not be less than 6 weeks. Students of IIT Roorkee will be allowed to begin the summer internship immediately after the completion of the term and examinations. Accommodation and mess facility in the bhavans subject to payment of necessary charges at per with that paid by the student living in hostels. The average cost of housing would be around 5,500 rupees per month including the mess facility. All interns will be issued a temporary institute ID to avail the library, sports, medical, computer center, internet and other institute and departmental research and recreation facilities. He or she will be required to abide by the conduct rules of the institute, failing which the internship will be terminated and the interns will be asked to leave. At the successful completion of the internship, a certificate from the institute with the name of intern and mentor signed by Dean SRIC will be issued to all the interns. Now let's talk about how to apply for this internship. To apply for this internship, you need to go through the link in the description box of this video and you have to log in to submit your application and view status of your application. So that's all about this internship. So in my opinion, if you want to boost your career, then never miss this opportunity. And if you have any questions regarding this, then feel free to ask me in comment section below. And for more updates and career tips, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. So bye bye and meet you all in next video.